Take it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are turning it over. The F18 Rhino demonstration team.
Turning it over to the Navy.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the go, the dirty roll to half cube and 8.
Are they in there? It's out there and it started.
Rouse will select max afterburner, set a 90-degree angle of bank. It holds 7.5 Gs for 360 degrees of turn. At the end of the MRT, watch as Grouse sets a max performance pull to the vertical, followed by a negative 2G push over to level flight. off the aircraft, indicating its proximity to the speed of sound.
Is there more than one up there?
Two-seater.
There's two of them up there?
No, GE400 engines are able to produce a combined over 41,000 pounds of thrust, burning 60,000 pounds of fuel per hour. Let's see if we can get Popo on the radio to see how fast they're going. Show center at 400 miles per hour. Grouse and Popo will pull the aircraft into the vertical.
Grouse and Popo.
To the crowd. And at the top, air crew will push the nose then below the horizon, pull the nose back above the horizon for a yawing maneuver without ever taking its canopy off the ground.
Up there. It won't let me turn the thing straight over.
As the Soar approaches Soar center at 350 miles per hour, the Grouse will rapidly reposition the nose 4 times, flying a square path through the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the square loop. Show center at 500 feet. Then reducing throttles to idle power, they'll roll the aircraft over. As 205 approaches show center, note how quiet the aircraft becomes as it passes by you at 500 miles per hour.
500 miles per hour.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the right,
Upside
the
down.
Super Hornet inverted whisper pass.
Slow ride.
Ladies and gentlemen, Grouse and Popo are now setting up for the high alpha pass. This maneuver will show you the incredible slow speed handling characteristics of the Super Hornet. Let's go info on the radio to call out the ground speed.
21 Alpha, 3.9 knots.
Is back aboard, it's floating home. We take great professional pride in our unique ability to land aboard a 100,000-ton U.S. naval aircraft carrier. In order to land in an area 1/10 the length of a normal-sized runway, carrier aviators must touch down between 4 wires stretched across the deck of the ship.
Right in that barbed wire.
So you've got to let me know.
Paddle 36. Aircraft flight clear. Got the same on the backup. CAG paddles working 25 or 15. 205, 3 quarters, call the ball. 205, round the ball. 5-7, manual. Hit a little high. Hit a little high, work down.
Ladies and gentlemen, as 205 executes the wave off, get your cameras ready as Grouse and Popo are now setting up for the photo pass. The aircraft will pass show's center at a 90-degree angle of bank at 200 feet and approaching 700 miles per hour.
Coming in low.
Ladies and gentlemen, the F18 you see here today is one of many used to train pilots and Wizzos at Strike Fighter Squadron 106, based at Naval Air Station Oceana in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Grouse and Popo serve as instructors, teaching new aircrew how to fly and tactically employ the F-18 Super Hornet. Currently, there are 33 operational Super Hornet squadrons in the Navy defending freedom and democracy around the room. It takes many talented and dedicated young men and women to maintain, fix, and fly these aircraft. Help us thank the entire Rhino Demo maintenance team and our maintenance professionals here at the show. They include Chief O.J. Davalier from New Orleans, Louisiana. AO1 Kevin Chapman from Warrenton, Virginia. 82 Alan Bajert from Texas City, Texas. AM2 Craig Whitaker from Naples, Florida. AME2 Will Williams from Komoko, Indiana. AT2 Brendan Montgomery from Hope Mills, North Carolina. And AE3 Alana Sowell from St. Helens, Oregon. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the entire United States Navy, we thank you for allowing us to demonstrate the capabilities of the FA-18 Super Hornet.
Thanks for coming in to land.
Interested in meeting the air crew or the maintainers, checking out our merchandise, or learning more about naval aviation, please visit us tomorrow at our tent and all week. Looking forward to seeing you there, and thank you once again. Welcome to Sun and Fun 2024.
All right.
Great. Outstanding. Loved every moment of that, too.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Rhino Demo Team, I am a proud fan. I have your merch, and I follow you on social media. Our Rhino Demonstration Team, give them a huge round of applause.
Always good to hear from the Navy. Go Squadron coming up as we inch closer to tonight's concert as well and get our 50th celebrations well underway. A whole week of more air shows. So much more to come, and all that information at your fingertips on the incredible app. You can be part of it too, and we can interact and all that cool stuff that the apps do. Please download the app. Join the celebration. Working up the script for Top Gun 3. That news broke last year. And that's going to be, I think, successful. Carrying on the story of Goose's son. And Tom Cruise taking a little bit more of a backseat in this one, but very involved with the production company and stuff, of course, and we'll see what happens. Outstanding air-to-air photography. Kevin LaRosa, of course, the second, doing a lot of that, and a lot of that type of stuff being covered in the next movie, too. Going to hand things over to Opie in just a few moments as we recover. I did another visiting aircraft. Another crew that'll no doubt join us here, perhaps to camp. More throughout the evening, too. And this outstanding concert tonight. How long has it been, Opie?
I haven't done this for 10 years.
Welcome back, Opie. We are so excited to have you join us on the announcer's stand and share the fun stories of how we all got here.
I still can't believe I got here.
I can't remember who the demo pilot was 10 years ago.
Opie joining us, part of the Viper demo team, correct?
Demo West.
Demo
Yes.
West.
Viper West back in 2010,
That's right.
2011. They with Black
Who was the
Diamond.
pilot? Who was the pilot, Opie? Hot, you gotta go. Let's go to work. The Ghost Squadron. Opie, take it away.
Love it.
Polaris, the constellation known as the North Star, has been a guiding light throughout human history to help navigate the world around us and the sky above. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to Sun and Fun's 50th Anniversary Air Show. My name is Carl Opie Falcione, and it is my distinct privilege to introduce to you the elite group of pilots and astronauts of the Polaris Ghost Squadron. The Polaris program is a first of its kind effort to rapidly advance human spaceflight capabilities and execute demanding pilot training opportunities, all while continuing to raise funds and awareness for important causes here on Earth. And now, without further ado, introduce to you the commander of the Polaris program and the Ghost Squadron in that sexy MiG-29, Mr. James. New technologies and conduct extensive research missions designed to demonstrate new technologies and conduct extensive research that will ultimately culminate in the first flight of SpaceX's massive Starship with humans on board. Dare to dream and realize what can be accomplished when we can journey among the stars. We want you to believe in what can be accomplished here on Earth when supporting the important cause of St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital and ensuring their vision that no child die of cancer in the dawn of life. In 2021, Rook logged 3 days in space as commander of Inspiration 4, and he'll lead a 5-day Polaris Dawn mission launching later this year. And if you noticed on takeoff, our aircraft are painted in our distinctive Arctic Ghost camouflage scheme and configured for maximum maneuverability, speed, and fun.
Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it?
Sun and fun! Say hello